Hello and welcome to the channel. In this quick episode I'm going to show you how to change a low beam bulb on a Mini Countryman F60. Deep beam right failure, so you want to turn your steering wheel the opposite direction. So we want to replace right, so we go all the way to the left. Pop the bonnet open, so you need to pull twice, once, twice. Over here we can remove this cover, just turn it left, that gives us visibility into the box. And the one we want is basically, as you can see, we've got a couple here, and the one we want is basically this guy over there. So you can see, one is easily accessible from the top, the other one is over there in the corner, and this is why we turn the wheel, because if you go underneath here, you can see here there is a little trap as well that you just need to turn, and so you turn to the left and it comes off, and then you can see there is another plate right behind as well. So put your hand in there. And we can take that guy out, and now you'll be able to see, we can see what we need to access. So you should be able to put your hand in there and still see from the top a little bit. There we go, as you can see, put it out. It's a question of pulling it out. Take your new bulb. Here you have to be careful. Essentially, you don't want your greasy finger to touch the bulb. So a glove is ideal. I don't have any, so I'm just going to take a cloth. Basically, so I hold it like that. Plug it back in. There we go. And now essentially it's a question of shoving back in there, which is the tricky bit. I'll put you back from view from the top. See, and as you can see here, this is where you can see her bulb, so you can actually look at the front here, help us guide us. Obviously you want it nice and straight, not at an angle. Hold on, put you down again. Easier if you've got small hands for this. There we go. Nice and in. So, before we close up, let's make sure it works. Do our headlight work? There we go. It works. So as you can see here, I actually replaced it with a 150% brighter bulb. So this is a new bulb, and this is the old one. Definitely brighter. Alright, so now essentially make sure you don't leave that anywhere. We put our first plate back on, screw the other way, then we put our other plate back on as well, then the top, and then we're done.